Want to cherish the flavor of filtered water? Enjoy safe drinking or sipping through CrazyCap 2.0 UV Water Purifier Bottle. The 17-ounce UV stainless steel filtering water bottle is certified by NSF due to exceptional water filtration technology. The bottle automatically activates UV rays after every 4 hours to keep the water fresh, and self-cleaning the bottle eliminates odor, chemicals, and mildew. Walls of the water purifier are crafted with BPA-free stainless steel material, while durable double-walled insulation keeps the water cold for 24 hours and hot beverages warm for 12. Patented portless charging technology adds to its ergonomic design, making it super easy to charge without worrying about water leakage. Here are the pros. Self-cleaning auto-activates to keep your bottle stink-free. Crafted of 304 stainless steel with vacuum insulation. NSF certified and removes 99% of contaminants. There's only one con. This bottle has a slightly healthier price tag than some of the others. Don't forget to check the description box below for more filtration information and exclusive freshness discount prices. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell so you don't miss a single video of your favorite products. Thanks for watching. See you next time.